To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then tap on the settings gear icon beside the search icon. Next, tap on Account Center located at the top of the page. Under the Account Settings header, tap on Personal Details. Here you will see your birthday. Tap on it to proceed. Tap Edit next to your current birthday. Tap on your birthday. Select your correct birth date using the provided fields. And then tap Set. Then, tap Save to apply the changes. From the pop-up menu, tap Confirm to finalize. You will then receive a notification confirming that your birthday has been successfully updated. So that's how you can change your birthday on Facebook app.